Hey guys, welcome to Hendersonville, North Carolina. We're way up on the mountains today, and it's definitely a super exciting day because we finally pulled the trigger on a Fecon mulching head. This is the 36 model, and it has the fixed teeth that are sharp, and they throw some good chips about that size on this cottonwood. Nothing but cottonwood and poplar on this job. Just a bunch of small ones, and it's actually doing a better job on that size than even the smaller ones. It's definitely coming down to technique on this machine because it's got one circuit that all the hydraulics run on. So when you move the boom, it'll draw power from the head. So you have to make you gotta let the head spool up, and then you have to make your movements quick, and you gotta stay close to whatever piece of wood you're working on. I've rented these from Carolina Equipment Rental. They had a 100 that had a dedicated circuit, so you could flip the switch and the head would have full power even when you were working the controls. And this thing's meeting my expectations. It's definitely a technique thing, and it's a little bit slower, but that's to be expected. This is a bit smaller machine, and I think I'm just going to let this thing speak for itself. I'll put you guys in the cab with me after I do a quick demonstration on this one little sapling, and then like I say, we can take you into the cab and I can explain the technique that I'm using on the really small stuff to help get a grab on it instead of it just bouncing around, and then the technique that I'm using for the bigger, a little bit more rigid stuff. So let's hop to the demonstrations. Probably going to be traveling down in South Carolina quite a bit because that's really where these machines shine, and on the thick underbrush like they have down there. So keep Wendy's busy. It will involve some travel. That is okay. slow, steep angle on that head will do with this stem. Let the head get up to speed. Here he comes. Yep, bouncing around. Probably a little bit too far that way. Here we go. Now we're in position. Flat top haircut on this thing. Nice slow pace. I did good at that angle. Let's move the stem to the front edge. Because you'll watch it grab this machine and pull it to our left as it's pulling on that stem. Bouncing may actually help give a moment of relief to that head and let it catch back up on speed. Yeah, bouncing's when the head starts slowing down and starts grabbing a little bit more. We're back up to speed now, so let's just ease into it. Yeah. Let's try a different technique. Just shaving the edge of the stem down. Ease over, come back up. See, it's going to be able to shave as big of a tree as we really want to get into. We'll just be able to shave it down, up and down the stem. Imagine oak and hickory, harder woods are definitely going to work the head, obviously more, but I don't think it's going to stop it as long as we keep the teeth really good and sharp. I don't think we're going to have any problems. On the next pass for it. Turn the GoPro off, run through some of this slow, boring stuff, and when we get down here to these bigger trees, I'll set the tripod up and we'll do a time lapse just for the fun of it. See you guys in a little bit.